Happy holidays! Another year done. Now, what to do for next year? Hi guys! Yep, we finished another year. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, whenever you're gonna see this. Whew, this is, I believe, the end of the third year at DB's Handicrafts. And oh my gosh, you guys are fabulous. I love you all. And as of right now, as I'm editing this, we're at over 2,500 subscribers. Holy cow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. When I started this, I had no idea. I'll just, document all my little crafty things that I do and you guys are subscribing. And those that haven't, please do join this community. You guys, they're all very helpful, have great tips in the comments, and you're very smart. And from beginners to, veteran crafters, this is a safe community. So join us. And so if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because next year we got a lot of stuff coming. For one, I got a couple of Christmas gifts. Everybody knows me well. So I think this spring is going to be a very, we got a fairy house and I got an elf house. So we're being very elfy and the cats are going crazy. Speaking of, another big project. I cleaned my room. I'll give you a full sweep all the way around. I cleaned the room. But yes, it's been under lock and key right now. And I finished insulating the room a little bit so that it doesn't get ruined. And you know what? Let's do this. Because we are going to work on the dollhouse this year a lot more than I have. It takes me a while to get jump started, but I think we're going to finish all the lighting. I got it all started. I have it figured out, and then we'll start doing fun, wallpapers and furniture. And this isn't, I told one person one time, this is going to be a few year project, and their eyes went, what? Yeah, a dollhouse, or any dollhouse this size, is not a 1 month and it's done kind of thing. You dollhouse people know that it's a forever project, and I'm actually very excited about that. So that is definitely on the list for 2026. So yeah, we definitely have the dollhouse. That'll be, I'm not gonna commit it to anything. I tried last year and it kind of fell off. December is kind of a crazy month for me. I have a huge craft show that I do every year at the first week of December, and then of course Christmas, and then, things happen. That's okay, as all of you are very, very busy. But starting January, we're gonna do it, right? We got kits, we got the dollhouse, and speaking of, if you have any kits that you want me to do a tutorial on, please put your suggestions in the comments below, and I definitely take notes of them, because you get to a point where it's like, what should I do? You can only do so many wizard houses and so many bookstores and so many coffee shops. There's got to be, we got two completely different ones. We got an elf house and a fairy house, so there's a start. What do you think we should do? I'm sure there's tons out there that I don't know. I know the book nooks I'm starting to kind of get into, so there's a few in there. And also another thing, I'm trying to post more on Instagram, so if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram right here. And I do a little bit of, you know, pointing towards the channel, but I also do a little extra, so a few more behind the scenes, and, you know, Marsh and the cats and Blitz the dog and all that stuff. And then also I have a Facebook right here, so definitely follow me there too. And I kind of post on both of them. I don't do TikTok for reasons, and I don't do Twitter. You know, it's just, it gets to be too much after a while. So I'm mostly YouTube, but I am trying, I think my New Year's resolution is to post more on Instagram and Facebook, and just, you know, so you can get to know what happens behind the scenes. It's not all just, well, it is mostly just crafting, but our life here out in the woods. And also I'm trying, this is the barn, the craft barn, and I'm slowly insulating it so it's not, you can't see my breath. It's going to get colder, and then the snow comes. Usually around here in the Pacific Northwest, it comes around end of January, February. That's when the snows come. So we'll see, and you'll get to know all of that on my Instagram and Facebook. So if you haven't already, I'll just recap. You know, hit that subscribe, hit a like, make comments. I read every single one. I really do. And you guys have all been great. You have great suggestions, you have great comments, and you're all been very, very cordial, and I really appreciate that. Because this is a safe community. New tagline, from beginners to veteran crafters, this is the safe spot. We're all the same. We're all learning. There's always something new to learn in the crafting world, isn't there? Oh my gosh, I'm learning all the time. And I've come a long way since I started my very first one. Holy cow. And I've crafted since I was 8, you know, and crafting has changed so much. And yet it stays exactly the same too. You know, there's things that kind of have resurgence, you know. But I hope you had a great year, and if you're struggling or anything like that, next year it always gets better, right? Right? And we're here for you. If nothing else, watch a goofy crafting video. It always makes everybody better, right? I love you all. I really do. And see you next time. It'll be 2026. Wow. Bye. Testing, testing. Ooh, that light's bright.